Today we will talk about something interesting, and it's this day I finished my work and meetings in university, and there's something I have to share with you. I want to ask you, did you notice that? Do you feel the same way about this topic that I will talk about? And the topic is, which is the topic? And it's about connection. Okay, connection. Pardon the spelling. Okay, the connection. I hope nobody come in because it will ruin the video. Okay, what's connection? Yesterday and today I had two different model of connection. One of them is a friend, okay, that we have we agree on 95% of the matters, on values, things, and that. But today I talk with somebody else that we may not share the same values. We may share 50% of the same values, 50%. While talking to this 90% about our differences and different point of views, it made me super tired. But with that person that I talked today, which we have different opinions, different point of views, different way of talking about the matter, I felt comfortable. I felt this gave me energy, this didn't give me energy. Why? Why is that? Because it doesn't matter how much value do you share, how do you agree, how you don't agree. It's about the way you connect, with each other, the way you listen to each other, the way you let them speak, understand them, and then talk about the same topic. Not in this place, he was talking about 10 points. I was about 10 other points. I wanted to talk about only this point. He was not talking about this point. He was changing this point to this point to this point, not listening at all, just saying blah 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 blah, and not agreeing without knowing what I'm saying. He didn't know what I'm saying, and he was disagreeing. But with her, let's say this is her. This was a boy and this was a woman. With her, even though we know that we don't agree on this point, on this point, well, we were talking about it one by one, comfortably, letting each other say our opinions, listen, ask questions. This one didn't ask questions. She was asking questions, I was asking questions, understanding each other. This gives you energy no matter how much value you share. This kills you.